Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block or disable site notification prompts that you keep getting when you visit websites using Google Chrome. So let's get started. It's very simple. Go ahead and click on this three dots on the right top and then go to settings. And here you just click on this privacy and security and then click this site settings. One thing to remember that Google keeps changing Google Chrome's user interface, so you will have to figure out where is privacy and security and site settings when you're watching this video. Otherwise I think it's going to be almost same. Okay, so if you're not using very old Google Chrome browser, and then under site settings you will see you have notifications. So I have blocked it. Okay, so if you have something like this, go ahead and block it. So this means you would not receive any notification prompts from websites at all. Now if you have this and you still want to receive that notification prompt, you can instead use quieter messagings, which blocks notification prompts from interrupting you. So these are two options. I would prefer it to be completely blocked. Alright, so this is how you can disable or block notification prompts on your Google Chrome browser. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you can. Otherwise, have a good day. Bye for now.